Let's go, cops. Come on. Come at me. Give me all you want. Oh, God. Crap. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, crap. Okay, here I go. What the flip? What's going on? What the flip? Dude, what are you doing here? Get out of here. Too many cops. No, don't go into the ground. Now, at this moment, he realizes he had fucked up. Ever heard of instant karma? You're gonna get what you deserve one day. Or today. So will I. At this moment, he had realized he had fucked up. I found a homeless man. I was like, hey, you just gotta hit him. Then I realized it was myself. Yeah, that guy's a creep. But, yeah, who cares? Just kept hitting him. His arms kept pointing at me. So that's why I was trying to hit him. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah. Thank you guys. Oh, wow. Wait. You guys see this last part? Okay. Now, like and subscribe. Bam.